Are you looking to turn your passion for video creation into a source of income? Rumble.com offers a unique platform where you can upload your videos and get paid for views. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or just starting out, let's dive into how you can monetize your content and make money with Rumble. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Rumble.com and also how you can earn money with Rumble.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Rumble.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Rumble is a video sharing platform where creators can upload and share their content. Users can earn money through ad revenue based on the number of views their videos receive. It offers an alternative to larger platform focusing on monetization opportunities. Rumble empowers creators to turn their passion into profit. So all you have to do is come back to the top and you click in the top right over signing up. Then you will find this page. As you can see, you have just to register with Rumble by adding your name, your username, your password. We type the password, then your email address, we type your email address, and you select your country as you can see. Also, we have the birthday, then we have to select the files, optional files, sorry, then we have to select a gender firstly. Then we have refer as well, address and again address, height, unit, floor and etc. Then we have the city, postal code, state and province. Then we have the phone number as well. And you have just to click over here if you agree to your terms and the privacy. Then you click over register and you'll find other page, which is this one. Here we have the email and here we have the email that we receive from Rumble. You have just to click over here to activate your account, and you can also use the option of copy it and paste it on the following link into your addresses bar, and then you'll find this message: your email has already been verified. Once you do that, you'll have just to come back here and you click over sign in and you add your email address and your password, and you will find this page as you can see. All right, so after creating an account on Rumble, you can just start uploading your videos by clicking the upload button. Fill in the necessary details like title, description, and text to enhance visibility. Choose your monetization options such as ad revenue, share, or licensing. Engage with the community by commenting on others' videos and promoting your content on social media. Finally, you can just use Rumble's analytics tools to track your performance and optimize your content strategy for better earnings. Alright? So right now all I have to do is just click over here to get started. We have here how you can upload a video, but it's important to add some information. You have just to click over account options and you'll find other page, which is this one. Here we have just to add your full name, your street address, your second street address, your city, then your state and province. Then we have the postal and zip code, and you select your country. Then we have here you select your gender and also your phone number, and then here we have you select your people and your people email address, and you click over update. We have here your email and also new email, current password, and new password again. Then you click over update once you do that. Then we have here about privacy. You have just to select what you think or it's better. For example, if you want to hide my username from search results, you click over here. And then we have here show my video earnings publicly. I will click over here because I want. Then we have enable my live streams to be read. Then we have here display the number of monthly subscribers on user profile. Then we have here notifications. Notify me when my media gets approved and placed on the front page. Notify me when a user comments on any of my uploaded media. Notify me when a user comments on any of my content comments. Then you have here occasionally send me emails with tips and tricks. Then you click over update. Then here we have user page display information. You have just to upload your photo profile picture, backsplash picture. You can just upload it, and then you add a description. You add also your Facebook URL, X URL. Then we have here our Twitter here, Instagram URL, Truth Social URL, and you click over update. Then we have here also other information for political donation information. All right. Then you have just to add your first name, your last name, your email address, and your mail address, your city and your state. You select your state as you can see. Then you have to select right now the zip code, write the zip code and you select your country. Then also we have here the employer, the occupation, and you click over here if you check all this and you read this website terms and conditions of use and agency agreement. Then you click over update, and this is it. Right now, if we scroll down, we'll find also here the option of earning. We have transactions, payment, and referrals. You have just to come back and you click over account and you click over earnings, sorry, and you have just to click over transactions firstly to know more information about earning money. So we have here two options, which is processed, and you have just to click over export CSV report. Then we have the option of pending as well. We have the date, amount, currency, and description. Then also we have here about earn. We have payments, as you can see, of monthly, start of month, earnings, adjustments, payments, and the end of month. Then we have also here the last one, which is referrals. As you can see, about this one we have here my link. I will just search on social media. If someone click over the link, he will just be sent to my account on rumble.com, and he will find my videos and start watching this video, and then I will earn money. All right, so now I will show you how you can create a video. So firstly, we have just to download OBS or someone of recording, or some website that record, or some platform that help that do the same thing. And then you have just to start recording, and then you have to modify your video as well. And then you have just to go to here and you click over in the top right over upload video. Then you have just to click over here and upload your video. Then you add your video title, your video description. Then we have here the category and secondary category. Then also we have video thumbnails. Then we have here tags, visibility such as public, listed, private, and scheduled. Then you click over upload and you get started and you create your video. Then also we have other option, which is go live. How about this one? You'll find here set up new stream. As you can see, you can just click over it and you start with this one. All right, then here we have the steps that you have to follow to get started with a live stream. All right, so then also we have the option of Rumble Studio. About this one, you will find advice information about how you can work with Rumble Studio or rumble.com. Right, so we have here you all-in-one streaming studio. You have just to sign in with Rumble if you already have an account, and here we have a live stream to anywhere, join forces, live chat, premiere features, moderation, canvas, premieres, and RTMP participants as well. So once you click over Rumble Studio, you'll find this page after signing in. All right, you have here various options like home. We have also here the option of library, the option of videos, and other things if you want to modify it, all these things. For example, we have here stream, no stream yet. If you want to live, schedule a stream, we have premiere, and we have also here videos to get started. And also we have for clips, the option of clips, and you get started with rumble.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. So Rumble offers a high opportunity for creators to monetize their videos and generate income. By sharing engaging content and utilizing monetization option, you can turn your passion into profit. The thing that I love on Rumble, you can just get started by earning money on the thing that you love, for example gaming or something like that, and you have just to put your camera in front of your face, or you can just record in using OBS or other websites, and then you just showing people how you play gaming, and if someone love your video, he will just join and you will earn money with that. So this is it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video.